Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into the video. So this is where I started painting the crates, and I already did one coat, so I'm about to apply another coat. Okay, y'all, so I have finished painting the crates. I just will say that I did more coats on the outside than the inside because they're gonna be filled and it's not gonna like be a like problem, you know. So that's why the outside is more darker than the inside. So that's how it's looking. So now let's just see how I can style it. Y'all, if y'all hear some kids in the background, it's some kids outside playing, child. But I know I'm going to put these in the front. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to put these in the front because I wanted to hold it down, you know. For sure. And I'll probably just like, you know, put these like. So I want to get more of the lighter stuff to the back because of the support. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to rearrange it. I don't like how I did it first because I feel like those jars was like taken away. I feel like they should be in the back because they were so tall, because I want to do like small, then go on, you know, up. But I just got some books. I just got some books in the back. And so that's what I'll probably have to do when I take it to my Diddy house. We'll bring those books so it can be leveled out. And I'll probably see if I can, you know, put something to camouflage it so it won't be so noticeable. So now I'm just about to start. Some of this stuff I'm not taking out of the packages, like like far as like the cups, and I'm not gonna put my syrup into the containers until Saturday, or I'll probably do it Friday night, probably Saturday morning. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these bottles. I told you I was gonna put like my caramel or my white chocolate syrup or some chocolate syrup. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this like that on that day or just have them to the side, but I'm just gonna put those, you know, there. And so yeah, I'm not gonna open up my straws. I'm going to wait till that day, because I'll probably get some more cups, and I just have like a cup sitting here with the straws, you know, in there. And I'll do the same for the spoons, but it will be something like that or whatever. Then I'm gonna put the candy canes. I done took them out. Put the candy canes like that. Y'all, did y'all hear my stomach growling? Because I'm hungry, y'all. I'm tired. I've been working on this project all day, so I'm glad that I was able to kind of like split it up so I can have, you know, some extra content. So I had bought this bag of peppermint because I was gonna crush them up and people can use those as toppings or whatever. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't have no small like jar or bottle to put them in. So you can just they can do it just however they want to do it, and some people might not even like it. So I'm just gonna put a handful on this side. And once I be able to get the cute cups and put the stuff in the bottles, it's gonna look a whole lot better at this top part. Then I had told y'all I had bought these giant lollipops. I'm just gonna pop these back here. And you know, you can style it however you want to. I'm just doing it like how I want to, you know. So that side is done. gonna work over here to this side. And so when I get to my daddy house, I'm just gonna put like these like my extra cups like right here, and then I'll put that little jar there, and on this side I do the exact same thing. And it's like that. So I did want to put like hot chocolate right there or hot cocoa bar, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that, so we'll see. This is the finished look. I just would like to say once again, I really enjoyed doing this. I had so much fun creating this hot cocoa bar. Y'all, this is my type of stuff I like to do. I like to be creative and see how I can make nothing and turn it into something. And I also realized you don't have to get out here and go buy expensive stuff. You can get a nice look for an affordable price. Even though it took me all day, it took up most of my day, I was able to make 2 videos out of this one video that I initially was supposed to be doing, and I made it work. And even though I didn't get it correct the first time, I know next year when I make another one, hopefully I'll make another one, it'll come out better than what it came out this year. And this will give you guys some ideas if you want to make you a hot cocoa bar, or if you want to do something like this for a party one year, or whatever, however you want to style it. Or you can just use these crates and make different type of projects or come up with different type of ideas. But I hope this helps. So that wraps up for this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I have said in this video, please feel free to comment. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 16.